Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we are going to see a very useful video. It's very easy to order on Amazon, but what next when we change our mind and decide to cancel the item for whatever reason? So today we are going to see that only, that is how to cancel an order on Amazon. So straight away let us go to Amazon. I have to open Amazon app. So once I do that, we have to go to this three bars. As you can see, first of all you have to go to your orders. So once you go there, your orders, first of all you have to go to your order page. So what items you have ordered. So once you go there, means go here in this page, you will see all the items that you have ordered recently. So choose from this list of items. Look, for example, I want to choose this set of clips that I had ordered to get cancelled. So I'll do that. I'll press here, click here. So all the order details will be coming here, like when I had when it is arriving, when it was ordered, and all these things, and your delivery address, etc, etc. So what I'm going to do here you can see there is something called order info or view order details. So further details of the order, so you have to press here, and once you do that, you can see the order details here, like order date, all these things. So here you can see our main thing to cancel order, that is this thing, that is cancel items. This tab or this bar you have to press to cancel items. So it is already checked this thing to cancel. So this product is already tick mark, since it is only one product or quantity is one, so only one tick mark is coming. So make sure that you are checking the right items that you want to cancel. So don't cancel any other item which you don't want to cancel actually. So sometimes by error it may happen, so please be careful. Check mark the right item that you want to cancel. So once you check mark, here Amazon will ask like cancellation reason, although it is optional. You can see the options like order created by mistake, items will not arrive on time, all these things are there. You can go through it. So also there's something called other. If you don't have the reason that is mentioned here, you can go for other. I won't choose any reason, just it's for explaining you how to cancel an item on Amazon. So I'll just go to cancel checked items. So once I press this cancel checked items, you can see your order has been cancelled successfully. So this is how you cancel any item or any thing that you have placed your order on Amazon. So one more thing I just want to show you, that there is one order here which is arriving tomorrow. So it has been shipped and it is nearing my location. So for those kind of orders, you can do this. Just click on this or press on this order, and then you can see here like shipped with Amazon, already has been shipped. So there is a tab called request cancellation. So directly cancel items is not coming because it has been shipped and it is almost nearing my location to be delivered. So when I press this, you can see there is something called one message is coming like all items shown here in the image will be cancelled and cannot be reverted back. You will also have the option to refuse the delivery at doorstep if you do not wish to cancel now. The thing is, once I press this save, this order may be cancelled, and sometimes if it is not, then you have the right or you can refuse taking or receiving that order at your doorstep. So in these cases, when the order has already been shipped or it cannot further be modified, then you can refuse the package when the delivery boy comes, or at the worst case, you can go for returning the items as well. Well, how to return an item, I'll show you in another video. It's only for cancellation. Well, there could be like two cases. Either the order has come from Amazon Prime, which can easily be cancelled or refused or returned. But when the order has come from a third-party seller, when the seller has already shipped and there is no option coming to cancel the order, then either you can contact the seller directly. So once you contact or mail the seller, within 48 hours, if they don't respond, then you can go for A to Z guarantee of Amazon. So in this A to Z guarantee, Amazon will ensure that you get your refund if their team get convinced that you should get it after cancellation. as you are canceling the order. Then A to Z guarantee will ensure that you get your refund when it is a third party seller. So this is how you cancel your orders on Amazon. So I hope this video was quite useful when you change your mind or you don't want the product itself after ordering or placing the order on Amazon. So friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button, please share it, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel Infotainment, then please do so by hitting the bell button to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler, easier and happier. So friends, till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you soon. Thank you.